Abby, what are you doing? I am sitting on the sofa watching television. Oh, you are sitting on the sofa and you are watching television. Exactly. Now you get it. We use the present progressive to describe actions that are taking place right now. Yes! Woohoo! Now I understand present progressive tense. Yes, on our next video, we'll see more ways to use it. But wait, why is the television turned off then? That's a good question. See you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow for more easy English tips.